File opens in Adobe Photoshop software. Find the corresponding layer in the Layers panel. Hold down Ctrl plus mouse and click on the layer. Thumbnail. A layer selection will appear. In the panel, select Modify Contract Selection. Parameter setting 1 pixels. Switch to the Channels panel. Right-click New Spot Channel, the first new channel, and name W1. Return to the Layers panel, then create a raised effect. Use the Magic Wand tool. Select the location of the need to raise. Press Shift to add the selection. All the need to raise the location are selected. Switch to the Channels panel. Right-click New Spot Channel. Create a new second channel and name it W2. Make sure the newly created channels are displayed. Save the file in TIFF format.